Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the remote has fresh batteries and you stand within range, pointing at the indoor unit. This guarantees signal reception. Press on /OFF to power the Aircon, listen for the beep or look for the display change so you know it received the command. Next, press mode to cycle to cool, heat, dry, or fan. Choose cool for immediate temperature reduction. Once done, set a comfortable target temperature. This controls compressor cycles and energy use, so pick a steady setting. Once the mode is set, you adjust temperature using the up and down arrows. Daikin often increments by 0. 5 degrees or 1 degrees, which lets you fine-tune comfort. Make sure to set fan speed to auto or a fixed level to balance airflow versus noise. Use swing to change louver direction for even distribution. If you want automation, program timer on and timer OFF for a start or stop within 24 hours. This saves energy by avoiding unnecessary runtime when you leave or return. To finish, engage a Kono or energy saver if you want reduced power consumption. This limits compressor load while maintaining comfort. Make sure settings are stable, then optionally save timer schedules. This prevents having to repeat steps daily. If the unit fails to respond, firstly replace or reseat batteries and re-aim the remote, then power cycle the indoor unit at the breaker. If an error persists, hold reset on the remote to clear memory or consult the code panel. This often resynchronizes remote and unit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.